Isabella's first, well, not first, but Bella's Christmas present.
Open it, baby.
From who?
From Kevin.
From Kevin. Now let her do it.
There, have fun.
She got it. Yeah. I like that gift wrap. Why are you doing it for her?
She can't do it.
Now hold the box up and let her rip it off. No, from the side. Now help her.
There, your friends.
Yay! She wants a dog. Isabella! She's not looking.